Good morning, students. Today we will going to discuss the problems based on yesterday's concept permutations. If you want, you can see the page number 148, exercise 7.3. You read first question. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if no digits is repeated? How many 3-digit numbers by using the digits 1 to 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 digits are there. By using these 9 digits, we have to form 3-digit numbers. See here. So here condition is no digit is repeated. Without repetition, here 3 seats are there, 9 numbers are standing. So this is the first blank, second blank, third blank. So these 3 seats with these 9 persons, how many ways we can fill up? So number of arrangements. So number of arrangements are these 3 seats, 9 persons are standing means these 3 places can be filled by these 9 digits. So we can choose like this 9p3 ways. 9p3. So what is 9p3? How to write? This is suffix 3 means 2 times we have to reduce 9. See, 9 into 8 into 7. So this is 72 into 7. This is 14. 49. This is 49. 50. So 504 ways we can fill up. Means the number of 3-digit numbers 504. Number of 3-digit numbers are 504. So without repetition. Suppose with repetition means first blank can be filled 9 ways. Second blank can be filled 9 ways. So 9 cube ways we can fill up. So repetition of the digits is allowed means how many 3-digit numbers can be formed? 9 cube numbers we can form. So like that we have to define. Means number of 3-digit numbers by using these 9 digits. So without repetition, with repetition. So they are asking in this question only without repetition. Next. Second one. How many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit is repeated? Again same question. But here they are not giving digits. We have to assume digits. What are the digits here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. With these 10 digits, we have to form 4-digit number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 blanks, 10 members are standing. So how many ways we can fill up? 10p4 ways we can fill up. But suppose 0 if I substitute here, 0 if I among these 10p4, 0 also is there in this place. Suppose 0 if I substitute here means this becomes 3-digit number. So you remember. This is units place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. So thousands place can be filled by 9 ways only, except 0, any one of the 9 digits can be formed. How many ways we can fill up? This can be filled in 9 ways. So with these 3 blank means remaining how many digits we have to 9. Total 10 are there. So 1 filled here. Except 0. Remaining any one of the 9 digits can be filled this blank by 9 ways. So remaining these 3 blanks, units place, tens place, hundreds place, can be filled by, here already one blank filled, one digit gone. Remaining 9 digits. 9 digits, 3 blanks. How many ways we can fill up? 9p 3 ways we can fill up. So from the fundamental principle of counting, 9 into 9p 3. So this is 9 into 9p 3. How to write? Already this we calculated. That is 504. So 504 means this is 36 4536. So 4536 4-digit numbers are there by using these digits 0 to 10. Suppose 10 is not there, you remember. Suppose 0 is not there. 0 is not there means 9 digits, 4 blanks, 9p 4 ways we can fill up. 0 is there, you be careful. Whenever 0 will come in, so this extreme left position we should not fill up. Suppose if you fill up 0 here, this becomes 3-digit number. It cannot be 4-digit number. So that this thousands place can be filled by 9 ways. What are the 9 ways? Either you can fill up 1, 2, 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 except 0. Remaining one of the 9 digits can be filled 9 ways. This hundreds place may come 0, no problem. Tens place will come 0, no problem. Units place may come 0, no problem. So here one blank, one digit gone. Remaining 9 digits, 3 blanks, 9p 3 4 ways. By the fundamental principle of counting, we have to multiply these two. So this is 504 means 4536. Nothing but 4536 4-digit numbers can be formed. So like that we have to answer. Next. Number 3rd. Question number 3. You read the question. How many 3-digit even numbers can be made using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7? Given digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. They are not giving 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. If no digit is repeated, so 3-digit even number. So even number means, last class already I told, units place always must be even digit. This must be even digit. So even digit we have to fill up. This units place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. So even digit we have to fill up because this required number is even number. So how many even digits are there? Either 2 or 4 or 6. So this can be filled 3 ways. This can be filled 3 ways. Remaining 2 blanks, for 5 digits. Total 6 digits are there. Here one even digit gone. Remaining 5 digits are there. 5 digits, 2 blanks. So these 2 blanks can be filled. That is 5p 2 ways. 5p 2 ways. So from the fundamental principle of counting, the required number of even 3-digit even numbers. So that is 5p2 into 3. So 5p2 means 5 into 4 into 3. Nothing but 20 into 3, 60 even numbers are there. 3-digit even numbers by using these digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 even digits. Odd digits means odd numbers we have to substitute. Remaining we have to write like that. So This is the way of answering question number 3. Next, fourth question. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if no digit is repeated. How many of these will be even? See here. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Given digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the given 5 digits. If no digit is repeated, so 4-digit number. So 4 blanks, units place. This is units place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. So 5 digits, 4 blanks, not 5 blanks. So 4-digit number means 4 blanks. These 4 blanks can be filled by these 5 digits. So 4 seats are there, 5 members are standing. So without repetition means 5p 4 ways we can write. 5p 4 ways. So 5p 4 means how to write? 5 you write, 4 is there, 5 we have to reduce 3 times. 4 is there 3 times, so 5 is there 4 times. 7 is there 6 times, so like that. So 4 is there means 5 we have to reduce 3 times. See here, 4, 3, 2. So nothing but 20, 60, 120. So there are 120 4-digit numbers are there by using these 5 digits. So this is the first bit. Second one is how many of these even numbers? So units, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, units place. So the 4-digit number to become even number, its even means units place filled by only even digit. So this is the blank can be filled by even digit. Whatever these blanks are there, no problem. So one number to become even number means compulsory its even digit, means units place must be filled by even digit. So how many even digits are there? 2, 4. So this can be filled only 2 ways. This can be filled only 2 ways. So remaining these 3 blanks, these 3 blanks can be filled. These 3 blanks can be filled. Remaining how many are there? 1 digit gone. Even digit. Remaining 4 will be there. 4p 3 ways. This is 4p 3. So from the fundamental principle of counting, 4p 3 into 2. 4p 3 means 4 into 3 into 2 into 2. So this is 4 into 3 12. That is 48. So 48 even digits. How many odd digits are there remaining? 72 digits are odd digits. So total how many digits are there? How many numbers are there? 4 digit numbers 120. Among these how many even numbers are there? 48. Remaining odd numbers. What are the remaining odd numbers? Means 72 odd numbers. So like that you have to answer this type of questions. Next, number 5. Form a committee of 8 persons. From a committee of 8 persons. In how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman assuming one person cannot hold more than one position? Total 8 persons are there. So in these 8 persons, we have to choose one chairman, one vice chairman. So one of these 8 persons, one person can be selected as a chairman 8 ways. Vice chairman means 7 ways. So required number of ways. So from the fundamental principle of counting means there are 56 ways are there. There are 56. It is a chairman case, vice chairman case out of 8 persons. So this can be done in 56 ways. Next, 6, 7 you answer yourselves. Yesterday I told that model questions. Last class I told. So based on that questions you have to answer. Next. Number 8. Read the question. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word equation? EQUATION, equation. How many letters are there? 3, 6. There are 8 letters are there. So what they are asking question, once again you read. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word? So all the letters of the word means there are 8 letters. So indirectly what they are telling question, what they are asking question. 8 letters words we can form. Whether they are meaning or meaningless, that we don't bother about it. Whether they are having meaning or meaningless. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 letters words we have to form. 8 letters words. So how many ways we can interchange? So this is one point you should learn. Before that, listen. Last class I told you. Suppose A, B, C, 3 persons are standing in a bus. There are 3 seats, 3 persons are standing. How many ways a conductor can fill up these 3 seats by these 3 persons? 3 seats are there. 1, 2, 3. What we discussed? Suppose first person, second person, third person. Or suppose A, C, B. Or B, C, A. Or B, A, C. Or C, A, B. Or C, B, A. See here. Total there are 6 ways. 6 ways. How you got 6 ways means 3 persons, 3 vacancies. So exact number of vacancies equal to number of objects. So both are equal. How many vacancies are there? 3. How many persons are standing? 3 persons. So 3 persons, 3 seats can be filled. Can be filled means how many ways we can interchange among themselves. What is the meaning? How many ways we can interchange among themselves? Among themselves means that is 3 seats, 3 persons. 3 factorial ways. Nothing but 3p3 ways. 3p3 nothing but 3 factorial. 3 factorial nothing but 6. Suppose 4 seats, 4 members are there. 4p4, 4 factorial, 24. 5 members, 5 seats are there. 5p5, 5 factorial, 120. 6 members, 6 seats are there. 6p6. Nothing but 6 factorial, 720, 7p7, 8p8, 9p9, 10p10. So, like that. Number of vacancies, number of persons, both are equal means how many ways we can interchange among themselves means that is npn factorial ways, nothing but 3p3, 4p3, 5p, sorry, 4p4, 5p4, 5p5, like that. So here 8 vacancies are there, 8 letters we are having. So how many ways we can interchange among themselves means nothing but 8p 8 ways. So 8p 8 ways, nothing but 8 factorial. What is 8 factorial? I think it is 5,000, 40,320. I think so. 40,320. Nothing but if you want, you can write. So 8 factorial means how to write 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. So this is 40,320. So this is the answer. How many letters of the word we can form means 8p8, nothing but 8 factorial, nothing but 40,320. Yes. Next, question number 9. See there. How many words with or without meaning can be made from the letters of the word Monday? What is the given word? Monday. How many letters are there? M, O, N, D, A, Y. So there are 6 letters are there. Total how many letters? 6 letters. So what is the first bit? See here. First one. 4 letters are used at a time. 4 letters are used at a time. Means 4 letters words we have to form by using these letters of the word Monday. So 6 letters are there. Only 4 letters we have to use. Means there are 4 seats, 6 members are standing. So how many ways we can fill up means 6p4 ways we can fill up. 6p4 nothing but 6 into, this is reduced, 6 reduced 3 times. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Nothing but this is 30 into 12 means 360. Question number 9, first one, 360 ways. So, like this we have to answer. Second one, you read second one. All the letters are used at a time. All the letters means 6 letters words. So 3 plus 3, 6 letters word. We are having also 6 letters, so we have to use all the letters. It means 6 letters words we have to form. Whether they are having meaning or meaningless, you don't bother about it. So how many ways you can fill up these 6 blanks by 6 letters? How many ways you can fill up 6p 6 ways? Nothing but 620. Nothing but 6 factorial. Nothing but 720 ways we can fill up. Next, third question. See the third one. How they are asking? All the letters are used, but first letter is a vowel. All the letters are used, means 6 letters word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 letters word. So start with a vowel. So start with a vowel means how many vowels are there? We'll see first. Start with a vowel. How many vowels are there? O, A. 2 vowels are there. So this blank can be filled only 2 ways. This blank can be filled only 2 ways. Remaining 5 blanks. 5 letters. So 5 blanks, 5 letters, how many ways you can fill up? 5p, 5 ways we can fill up. So from the fundamental principle of counting, 2 into 5p, 5 nothing but 5 factorial. This is 2 into 120, nothing but 240 words will be there. 240 words. These words all start with a O. So like that we have to answer.